Welcome to week 10. This week we're focusing on reading for comparison. So there is a video about reading for comparison, and then there's an activity soon after it where I'm going to ask you to read your WP1 and your peer's WP1 and figure out the similarities and differences. There are a few questions that'll guide your comparison, and then you just post a summary of it in that discussion forum. After you're done, I'd like you to read your peer's summary and respond to it. See what was similar, what was different between what you saw and what your peer saw when comparing those same two documents. For Thursday's class, we're doing a very similar activity, but this time around, I'd like you to read and compare WP2. Take a look at those questions, find the similarities and differences, post a reply, and then respond to your peer, much like we did with the first activity. For Thursday, we're also doing our second individual conference. So make sure that you go into the individual conference folder and prepare for talking with me about everything that's going on in the class so far. Basically, the individual conferences are just check-ins, making sure that everything is going okay for you this semester and that you're where you want to be in terms of your learning and in terms of your grade. If you're not where you want to be in terms of those things, come in with some questions to ask about those, and we can figure out a way to get you there. So if you have a B and you'd really like an A, we can talk about what you can do differently to make sure you get that A for the end of the semester. If you have any questions about anything related to this week's content, please feel free to ask in the questions forum.